My name is Steve Irwin, and today we're trying to hunt a vampire. And this vampire, there's only 3 left in the whole world, but I found one of them right now. And if you come with me, we can sneak up on one. He's extremely rare, but extremely beautiful. I mean, he has big black wings, a black head, and white horns. Now, there's only 3 left in the world, but I've got one right now. There's only 3 left, but I found one of them right now. Come with me a little bit closer, so we gotta catch them in this natural habitat.